what do you label it? Because we keep calling it difficult conversations, confrontational. We're calling it these things where, oh, it's conflict. Ooh, conflict. Conflict basically just means failure to be in agreement. Failure to be in agreement. That's not scary. We're not in agreement about what's for dinner tonight. It's like we're not in agreement about my favorite color is orange and your favorite color is. So conflict is just failure to be in agreement. And so when we label these things difficult conversations, it's a sexy phrase, but it's like it's really just trying to find a way for both of us to be okay with where we are, with what the situation is. And so when we label it conflict, I think that's the main problem is just, hey, we're just having a conversation. And a lot of times we build it up to be so much more than it is. And then when we're in this situation, it's like, oh my God, I was so nervous about that. And we figured it out. We did this. Okay. All right.